Hello Scrappy peeps, and it's Adele from Inkie Quill. I almost forgot my own intro. It's the baby brain, I'm telling you. Welcome to this sneaky little extra video just for you about sorting out some layouts and where they need to go. So a lot of these layouts you haven't actually seen before, so it's a bit of an exclusive little sneak, and they're mainly all layouts that I made last year, I think probably about almost a year ago, and they're all last year as in 2015, sorry, 2015. And they're all just a hodgepodge of supplies and layouts and dates and things, so I'm sorting them into some album categories so I can pop them where they belong. If you haven't checked out parts 1 and 2, make sure that you do. And this is the third and probably final, I'm thinking, yeah, final part to this little mini series. So this first one is of Aaron and I. We went down, I think we had a wedding delivery in Sydney, and so we went to Luna Park. We didn't go to Luna Park. We stood outside Luna Park because it was expensive and just took some nice photos. And I remember choosing this colour based on this flower embellishment from Amy Tan because I wanted to get it used, and then I picked this other background colour off the camera. So you can use your embellishments to kind of persuade your mixed media judgment of colours. So that's from last year, and this was before I found Basil marshmallow cardstock, and my gosh, you can tell the difference. It's just so thin and warpy. I really recommend trying Basil marshmallow cardstock if you can. This next one is of Aaron's stepmom and his stepsister, who are just beautiful. And this was when we went away on holidays and we went and visited them. You're stuck together. Oh, we've got a bit of a, oh no, it's all good. So I just wanted to do a very pretty layout to capture their beauty. So this one's 2015 as well. Next up, oh, this is a fun one. So this is actually last year. I every year for my birthday in March, I do a bit of a theme birthday party. And last year, I keep saying last year, I'm filming this in 2016, but I don't think it's going up till January. Last year, I actually had my first non-costume, but still themed birthday party. And I did a hipster picnic in our backyard, and we had pallets as the tables and all these crocheted blankets that we used to hire out for weddings, and everyone came in like flowy clothes and floral, and oh, it was really, really lovely. So that's a birthday layout from last year. Whoops. Whoops. There we go. Ah! So this one is a photo of Aaron's little sister, who was our flower girl. My gosh, she's grown up since then. So we got married in 2013, and she's now, I think she's in year 5. Wow, that's, yeah, I think she's in year 5 now, but she was beautiful, and I love this photo of her just glancing at the photographer. So decided to pretty it up with some hearts. I think I just bought this heart stencil and I went a little bit cray-cray, and I was feeling the strips with this. This is I think this is a hip kit that I got, and a lot of the layouts using this kit have strips, so I must have been on a bit of a kick with that. But that's for the wedding album. Then this one this one does have a process video, I know that for sure. And it's called Oh Yeah, That's Brotherly Love. And this is Aaron and his little brother, who just had his 21st birthday party yesterday. Wow. It's just amazing looking back at photos to see how much they've grown up. So this is probably 2008. I'd say, so that's going to go in that old album. But I really, really enjoyed doing all of these overlapped hearts in a real haphazardly type of way, as well as the 3 mini photos. I'm definitely going to try that. So like I said in a previous video, it's really good to go over your past layouts and just, it kind of kicks your mojo back. There might be things that you used to do that you don't do anymore, or colours that you used to try, or, you know, different shapes or clustering or anything. So have a look if you're having a bit of a mojo little failure area in your life, which I often do, I really do. Have a look through your old layouts, so that might help. So this is pre-2013, this pile. Next up, oh, we've got a double page spread that did have a process video and then it got deleted by accident. So this is a very plain one of our wedding, and I used a lot of frames. I think this was using poolside from memory, so I was trying to use a pool themed collection for something that definitely wasn't pool themed. So I do double page layouts sometimes. So that's for our wedding album. Oh, it's little baby Liam. He's so cute. So this is Aaron's little brother. Aaron has a lot of brothers and sisters, if you haven't picked that up from these layout videos. So he has 6 brothers and sisters, but 2 different families. So this is on his dad's side, this is his little brother. And look at how young Aaron and I, so this is when Aaron and I were 18, just young little whippersnappers we were. And I think it might have a process video. If it does, it's very early 2015 that it was one of my first process videos probably, if it does. And this was the first time I met his dad and stepmom. We went away on a family holiday, so that was that was a jumping straight in to meet the family and be one with the family. I think we'd been dating maybe for 5 months, 6 months maybe. So, but it was just I just clicked, and I think I have, out of all of Aaron's brothers and sisters, I have the closest bond with this little guy. And he told me once that he doesn't remember life before I was in it, which is so, so cute. But he's now going into high school, and he still will come and, you know, come up for a cuddle, and when no one's watching, he'll give me a little hug, and yeah, he's a cutie. So I did that one. So that's pre-2013, and all that is just circles, and I've bumped that up on some craft foam as well. So a very simple layout, that one. A good one to scrap lift if your mojo's down. Here's Liam and Ryan, Aaron's other brother, and I just love the look on their faces in this one. And look, it's a green, majority green photo, and I managed to scrap it. The thickers really do help with that one. So it's called, oh, I love that impish tickle grin, because they used to have huge tickle fights and just giggle and giggle and giggle for hours. I really like this layout. I used to do this a lot as well. Have like the top third of the page in one piece of paper. Might try that again. And longer titles. I seem to do a few longer titles. There, there's that one. I love this one too. So this one's called Ever So Curious, and I knew I had to use that crepe paper. I think it's from the Wonder collection. I had to use that chipboard because it's like it was freaking made for Frida. Like, look at that. It's like a chipboard version of Frida in a nutshell. So Frida is she's very curious and very suspicious. So if you haven't heard from her for a little while, you should often go and investigate it, because... Poppet, what are you doing? Hang on. So Poppet heard me talking about Frida, didn't you? And of course, Frida decided she needed some attention as well. What are you doing, silly bunny? Do I have to confiscate your box? Should I confiscate the box, Poppet? Should I do it? Should I do it? I think I should. Okay, the box has been confiscated and I'm now the worst mum in the entire world because they're just staring at me like they're extremely cranky. But that just summarised what I was saying about Frida, because I hadn't heard from her for a little while, and of course she heard her name, so she had to get a bit of attention. But this was a really simple one to do, just paper strips, and a bit of washi. Very, very easy one to scrap lift, and I really like the mini photo. I'm going to have to do that again, I think. So that's 2015. Another wedding one here, and this definitely has a process video, and this is my bestie Karen, my maid of honour, coming down our aisle. So our aisle was sandstone stairs, and then we had to cross grass and then a little bridge and then walk down the grass aisle. So it was quite a trek, and no one stumbled. Everyone made it down there, which was really good. I had a great time using some of the chipboard. It's the throwaway piece after you've used all of the embellishments, and I just backed it with all different scraps of paper, and I just call it my favourite smile. And I don't mind that. I know this is a problem that a lot of us Aussies have, that products are without the U. So favourite, mum, colour. You American peeps just don't like the letter U. But I don't mind. I honestly don't care. I know what it's meant to say. But yes, so this is just a pretty layout. My goodness, what are you doing now, woman? Frida was just attempting to pull my layouts down off my pile. This little one, oh, so this is another one of Liam. And I started off, I think, with the back paper, and then that back paper kind of led me towards which colours to use for the mixed media. And he's holding his teddy bear, which is very similar to my little teddy bear here. And I just love this photo. He's so cute. Look at those little cheeks. So this was just a fun layering kind of one to do. So that's pre-2013. Here's another nice little soft one. I really do think I'm going to have to find and print some more mini photos. The mini photo thing's just really likey. And then this, I just wanted to work that my day into the title, so I just put, you make my day happy. It's just a nice little soft one. No real story, just a little selfie that we took because we're hipsters and we can't not take selfies whenever we go somewhere. So that was from last year. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the little photo. And the last one is another one from last year that I don't overall like. I think there's a process video for this one. It could actually be on the Crafty Maven Getaway, this one, I think. And I used a bit of tulle for some layers and used that zebra. Why? I don't know. And I made him holding some balloons, and then I made the orange, the gemstone and the pear into some balloons and did a bit of thread there as well. So just a bit of, I think that's why I used it, because I said say hello to random adventures, and this was extremely random combination of things. So not my favourite layout, but it's a cute one. It's done. I just realised as well that on my clipboard wall I have these two layouts which need to be put away and changed as well. So this is one of Frida and I, very, very basic. I really enjoyed doing this. So I folded the paper and stitched it down, which gives it a nice bit of texture. So this is the same time as, is there another one in here like this? Actually no, I'm just going to put it in 2015. Yep, so that's 2015, and I put some glossy accents inside that heart to make it a bit shiny. And then this was a wild one that, look at that, not stuck at all. I'm going to have to re-stick that. From 2014. See, I was right. That photo of, where is it? This one. that is 2014. So I'm going to have to re-glue that one. But this was a photo that, this was a layout I did, I think, for Click Kits. I was a guest designer over there, using their a colour kit of some description. So I'm going to re-glue that and pop that in the 2014 pile. But thanks for watching, guys. And again, thanks for all your support. I love it, and I love you. And let me know in the discussion if you'd like to see these kind of random layout sorting videos, because there's lots of layouts in here that you've never seen before as well, which is a nice little surprise. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!